Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from Peacock Beading, and today I'm gonna be showing you in super easy steps how to make these peacock colorful seed beads earrings. If you're new here, consider subscribing with the bell for more content like this. Please like, share and comment to motivate me to make more tutorials for you. You might also want to become a member that comes with additional perks like video courses and digital beading patterns. And I'm using 8 rainbow colors here, guys. Dark purple, purple, dark blue, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. You could use 11 or 10 O's. These are earring findings. I'm using nylon thread. Use your favorite thread or brand. I'm using size 11 beading needle. 11 or 12 are the best choice for these earrings, and scissors. And I'm going to take about an arm span of thread on my needle and I'll be back. Okay guys, and I'm starting my work by picking up one bead of each color. Okay, and when I reach here, I wanna pick up one bead, but from this end. So I take another red. In this way the reds are 2. Orange, yellow, green, blue, dark blue and light purple. I won't take one more of the dark purple. Okay, so this is what I have. If you want, pause and pick it up. Okay, I'm sliding those down. I stick my needle in my mat and here I want to make a knot. I stick my needle in my mat and here I want to make a knot, and I'm making it the regular way, making here a loop, going twice through the loop, pulling and making one more knot to be sure it's all tight and secure. Now I have this colorful element, guys. And I want to go through this purple here. In my next step, I'm taking one of each color and only the red ones are 2. Okay, slide those down like this. And now what I want to do is go back through this orange and through all of my beads until the light purple one. Okay, now this is what I have, and I will go through the following bead. Now I'm going to take the same sequence, once all of the colors and twice the red one. Okay, and I'm going in the same place, guys, through the orange, and if you can, in one movement go through all of those beads, reaching the purple one. Okay, I have this. Go in the next dark purple. Okay, take the same sequence, one of each color plus 2 red ones. You can pause and pick those up. I will show you this one more time. Okay, I have here the sequence and going backwards one more time. And like this. Okay, I will continue this, guys, and when I have 16 purple beads down there, which means 16 elements, I will be back and tell you what's coming up next. And as I continue adding more and more elements, this is the 16th one. And what I want to do now is take 13 purple beads, okay, these are 13, slide those down, then take my earring finding and take 3 dark purple beads. Now pay attention. I'm going backwards and I'm not going through these first 3 beads, but I'm going through the 4th one. Okay. Now you see what I have. I have this beautiful loop of beads here and my earring finding attached. And now I want to take 9 of those beautiful purple beads. I take them and I slide those down. Now guys, I have this. What I want to do in my next step is go back in circle through those purple beads. Okay, I went through the first one and I want to go through all of those purples. In this way I'm making them stay next to each other in a nice and tight line. Then I will go back through all of those beads and come here. In this way I'm reinforcing these joints. And be careful not to stuck anything along your way. And now this is what I have. In my next step, guys, I want to go here and make this one look much better. Okay, turn it the way it's easier for you. My goal is to exit here through the first 2 red beads. Okay, like that. Then I take 1 red, go through the following 2 red beads, 1 more, go in the next 2, and again 1 and go in the following 2. And I think, guys, you get the idea and you will be able to continue adding 1 bead in between those 2 reds until the end, and I'll meet you there. And I'm here, guys, where I'm adding my last beads, and what I want to do next is to make a knot and cut my thread. And how I'm doing it, I'm making a loop and I'm going twice through the loop I've made. Then I make sure I'm between those 2 beads where I started the knot from. Then I can go through some beads and cut my thread. By the way, you could repeat the knot if you want several times. Then go through some beads and cut the thread. And now guys, my colorful peacock rainbow seed beads earrings are ready, so if you like them and you want to see more and more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe with the bell if you still haven't. Also, please like, share and comment. In this way you help me so much. If you become a member, you will get access to a gallery with digital beading patterns and additional video content. Check description and the join button. Thank you so much for staying here with me until the end. Now click on the video that you see on your screens and continue watching.